Hey guys, welcome to the video. So today I'm going to look into Amanda Jane Daley's website. So I'm going to review the website, see the gaps that actually exist within her website and how it can actually be improved as well. So the first thing that I noticed when I came onto her website was I definitely noticed her photo and I noticed the headline that she has. And unlike most coaches, though these days I think there's a lot of improvement, she actually has kind of a nice headline. You know, I help health coaches plus wellness entrepreneurs get started with consistent clients online, growing their confidence plus cash flow without burning out. I don't know if all this is totally necessary. I don't know, because I also don't know her audience. But one of the things that I noticed, by the way, let's just go through her entire website that you see from top to bottom. So one of the things I do is I normally just review the homepage, and if we go deep, maybe just one or two other pages, if at all. Just because reviewing or going through all the pages on our website, I mean, that's a lot of work, and it will make for a much longer video. So, yep. So one of the things I noticed with her website was a lot of words in terms of in terms of scanning. Like if I'm just coming to scan, it doesn't quite pass the scan test very easily. You know, you kind of have to keep stopping, really look, you know, and that's why I felt like based on what she's doing for these women, and based on also what I noticed her flagship product is doing, it's actually proven to develop business success for purpose-driven new health coaches looking to make 5K per month. This is her signature program that gets new results for new coaches. So what if the headline was just, I help health coaches plus wellness entrepreneurs make 5K per month consistently? Simple. And it's more like to the point and you're done. And of course, once someone gets 5K per month online, I'm sure their confidence grows, and obviously that's cash flow. And I guess without burning out will probably be a smaller benefit or something that can be mentioned as well as a sub headline. Yeah, so that's what I was feeling. I was feeling like a lot of the work is mostly going to be on the copy, simplifying it, and making it a bit smoother, you know. In terms of design, it will probably be on the fonts, because I'm seeing the fonts just look flat, you know. The difference between this font and the next one is not quite there. So in terms of design, I think this could easily fit here. It could also fit here beautifully, because what we'll do is we'll just have her photo here, and then we will fade out this background, and then the text can come on top, and it will be able to really stand out beautifully. Yeah. It's a nice touch having a video, obviously. Of course, once again, with the fact in mind that her main program is all about helping health coaches to make 5K per month, I think that should be just like the main headline. So it should be simply Upswing Mastermind instead of the ultimate experience for new health coaches. I think that's a lot of words wasted. This could be maybe the text at the bottom, and then this could come up here once again. But that's just my 2 cents. So I'm looking at it and I'm feeling like the copy just needs to be fine-tuned. It's not just about slapping words, but it's about making it very easy to read. So of course the fonts come in play, the right size at the right points, and the right weights at the right points as well. So anyway, as we go down, we see, are you ready to confidently lead health coaching sessions that get your clients real results and keep them coming back for more? So maybe the headline could be, get over the fear of doing coaching calls. Done. And then now this can continue to be the paragraph at the bottom. And then download my free Healthy Wealthy Biz book to learn why, what, and how my past clients achieved consistent results. Okay, I think that can still be shortened with a main headline, and then that could still remain as a paragraph at the bottom. And then free ongoing support to help you grow in my what? Maybe it could just be join a community of 5,000 health coaches. Simple. And then this can still be at the bottom. This looks cool. I love the photo. I love the design work that's been done here. Of course, the fonts, again, not very clear, especially if you have eye problems. And I don't know, I read a statistic some time back that I don't remember the actual number, but it seems a lot of people have eye problems, you know, whether it's they can't see colors or they can't see clearly or something along those lines. So you'll find that this is not very readable. In fact, if you noticed, me actually highlighting makes it more readable, you know? So this could definitely be made a bit more readable. Also, once again, as I mentioned, the fonts across the whole website, you know, they just need to be made more clearer, you know? Some need to be made much bigger so that they're more readable, more easy to scan, more readable. Some need to be increased, to be made bold, so that they can stand out, especially headlines, and then the right headlines at the right places as well. I like this, but I actually almost missed it when I was going through. I don't know, maybe it adds value, I'm not sure, to them, maybe to our audience especially. Okay, great. So 5 steps to 5K months. Now this I love. This is so clear, you know, so clear. Like I can see her program. This I think is the best headline so far in this entire website. So because it's so clear, 5 steps to 5K months for health coaches. Man, this could even be the main headline, you know? And then watch my signatures, blah, 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 blah. Okay, great. So I don't know, it's a bit wordy and I guess it's all in caps, but I don't know. I would have to sit down and look at it more to see how it can be improved, the copy that is. So I've helped thousands of go-getter health coaches up their biz game. Great. So anyway, we come down. I love the testimonials. I love that I think her audience is women. I'm not sure. I think she just mentioned health coaches, but maybe she should specialize and just deal with women because it seems a lot of her testimonials are from women. So as I'm looking at them, I see the first one completely shifted her business confidence and doubled her clientele base through the program. How about simply just 2x her clients? Done. And then other details can go at the bottom. And also maybe it could be her name. Maybe she's called Lucy. So Lucy 2x her clients, you know, because I don't see their names, I guess, until I watch the whole video. So yeah, so that's really nice. And of course, this can also be improved. The fonts, the styling can definitely be improved on this. It kind of feels a bit flattish, but hey, better testimonials than no testimonials. So yeah, so that's my take on this particular website, at least just looking at the homepage before I go like into all the other detailed pages. So I hope this video helps you. If any of you is interested in having me review a website, just do a quick review of your website. Please feel free to maybe drop something in the comments on YouTube. Or if you are interested in having a meeting to discuss your website, either design or redesign, feel free to click the schedule a call link and we can actually get to meet and discuss about your website. So until the next one, bye-bye.